Hi, I'm Peter, Spring Creek Field Organizer with the Friends of the Forest Preserves. For World Migratory Bird Day, we're visiting the Galloping Hill Restoration Site at Spring Creek Forest Preserve in northwest Cook County. At Galloping Hill, the Spring Creek stewards work year-round to restore and protect migratory bird habitat. In this wetland, volunteers have cleared away invasive species like reed canary grass and Phragmites to make room for native sedges, rushes, and other wetland plants. Each spring, our dedication pays off as migratory birds return to the site and benefit from the habitat we've protected. Let us know what birds you've been seeing in the comment section of this video.